In this video, I'll show you how to turn GTA San Andreas graphics into GTA 4 visuals using mods. Check my video description for this mod link. Once download done, right click on this required files and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Stuff here, right click on the game and select open file location. Before doing this mod, backup your San Andreas folder. Go back, copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder, open the required files, select all these files, drag and drop inside of a game folder, replace the file in the destination. Once you're done, go back and open this graphics mod. Open the 4 graphics, E and B, depends on the PC spec. Choose the folder and drag and drop all these files inside of a game folder, replace the file in the destination. Let's go back and open this Haze and Windows 8 Plus fix and drop these files inside. Replace the file in the destination and then go back, open this .exe file, and drop this exe. Once you done this, right click on the GTA-SA and select delete. Rename this GTA underscore to GTA-SA.exe. Right click on this startup underscore SP and select show more. Send it to desktop create shortcut. Now launch the game through this shortcut. I'll show you guys before and after comparison. You can easily compare this graphics mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.